Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to create 50 Instagram Reels in 15 minutes with Chatgpt and Canva. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So to create 50 Instagram Reels, we also have to create the text. And to do that, we can go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you the script you want, whether it is poem, quotes, essay, and others. Now, let's try to ask ChatGPT to write motivational quotes. And here's the result. Like for example, every great achievement was once considered impossible. Believe in yourself. ChatGPT gives us 1 to 15 motivational quotes. And there's a bonus below. Remember, motivation is temporary, and true success comes from consistent effort and perseverance. Now, let's try to ask ChatGPT to write 50 motivational quotes. You can see it continuously writing the quotes, and we can use these quotes to create our Instagram Reels. 20, 31, 34, 35. As you can see ChatGPT stop, all you have to do is to click on send a message and write on please continue. Then hit send. It will automatically start with 36, 42, and so on up to 50. And after doing that, we now have 50 codes that we can use to create our Instagram Reels. But with ChatGPT, we can make this text into table. We can type, write 50 motivational quotes, put it in a table with 2 columns. In the first column, put the number of the motivation, for example, motivation 1, motivation 2, and etc. In the second column, put the actual motivation quote. Click send. And then, you will see it like this. And after that, you can now copy the text. Then go to Google Sheets and paste the text here. And here our table, click on done, then click save, and you can rename it to motivational quotes. You also have to change the format into CSV, then click save. Now, let's open Canva and search for Instagram Reels, or you can also search for YouTube Shorts. You can see these templates here that you can use. Let's find a template that fits on our motivational quotes. Let's try this one. Never give up on the things that make you smile. The next thing you can do is click this plus sign here below, and here you can see the templates, but you have to look for apps. And here you can see this bulk create here. You can tap on that. Add your data. Upload data as a CSV file or enter a table of data manually to quickly bulk create hundreds of pages. Here, we can click on Upload CSV. Then, click on Motivation File. And all you have to do here is to click on one data fields identified, and it will automatically generate on your video. But please be reminded that bulk creation is only available in Canva Pro. And here we have our generated videos. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Now, you can also edit this a little bit. You can add animation like typewriter, and it will go like this. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Now, let's try the page animation. You can choose tumble, block, breathe, fade, rise, pan. Let's try this tumble. Then click on Apply to all pages. And there we have tumble as our page animation. And it will go like this. It's kinda cute though to have a page animation. Now we have these videos that we can post on our Instagram Reels. We have 50 videos here that you can post on your Instagram Reels. And that is approximately 2 months if you post one video every day. And there you have successfully created 50 Instagram Reels for less than 15 minutes using Chatgpt and Canva. But don't forget to click on Save and then click on Download. To make your script or text, you can use Chatgpt. Then, you can generate your videos using Canva on Bulk Create. But make sure that you have a Canva Pro. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have a question on the video, please don't forget to leave a note on the comment section. See you on the next video.